Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. Again today this video I'm addressing to the students. In this pandemic situation, it's very easily students are telling that they are getting demotivated and all that. So today I thought to say few lines in a kind of poetic way, but listen to it very deeply because I'm speaking all these very deeply. It's like when you feel like quitting or giving up, just think about the roof you have that somebody is wishing for, the electricity that you are taking for granted, but it is the only reason because of which a very talented person could not fulfill their dreams just because they didn't have the source of electricity or water. The water that is so for granted, that you waste, that you don't take care of, it is something which is the reason because of one glass of water somebody died of thirst, or the food you throw. Come on, when you feel like throwing the food, just imagine so many people who died because of starvation or malnutrition, just because they could not afford the room or the electricity, or they didn't had food or water. When you feel like quitting and just saying that your life is hopeless, just think about somebody who is dreaming to have a life what you have got, and whom what you are thinking that it is worthless. You should never be a quitter. You are quitter when your heart says that you quit. You should quit. You should never ever give up. These hands are powerful. These eyes are so worthy. It sees dreams. It visualizes. These hands can help so many people. These legs, though small, they could travel millions, and so it has traveled. It has traveled through the space. We all are little creatures, but we have immense potential to do great thing in our lives. Maybe this time would not be favorable for you. Maybe the result what you are sorting out you're not getting, or maybe you have got exactly what you want and still you are somewhere not really happy with yourself. Just tell yourself, just reboot yourself and just be yourself, that you could help somebody out there. Anybody, just anybody. Not even, if even if you're not knowing somebody, just have that attitude of helping people. Our life is worthy when we become worthful of helping someone, right? So, in ever if you feel like quitting, just tell yourself, no matter where you are, in what condition you are, if you are breathing, tell yourself you are privileged. Tell yourself 100 many times you are privileged and you can do it. You can make it. I really don't care. I really don't care what situation you are in. If you are breathing, you can do great. You never know that even mountains have been broken down. Even from really great hill, roads have been carved out. The things which have been thought to be impossible, people have showcased remarkable results from there. Where things have been thought that it's useless and worthless, people have made wonders out of it. If you have not gone to waste of wonder, or if you have not gone somewhere in which people have recycled and used, made so many discoveries and experiments, come on, life is never something which anyone should say that it is useless, because till you are breathing, till you have a roof, till you have food to eat and water to drink, you cannot be unprivileged. You are privileged, because this food that we take for granted, or the electricity, or the road by which we are able to travel so easily, this is a dream for so many. There are so many parts of the world where proper electricity is not there, where children, they don't even know where their future are going to, because proper books are not there. Education is, they could be talented, they are talented, they must be talented, but there is lack of resources, lack of food, lack of shelter, lack of water, lack of electricity, lack of transportation. So if you have any of them, electricity, food, transportation, and still if you're not working, still if you think you are a loser, still if you think you are a failure, I'm so sorry, you are not. Because I don't care what kind of apartment you live in, what type of internet connectivity you have, or what brand of phone you have, or what kind of clothes you are wearing, what food you are eating, how many types you are eating. I really don't care. If you have a shelter, if you have cloth on your body, if you have food in your plate, if you have water, if you are getting education, if you are able to transport, trust me, you are privileged. People have lost lives because of pandemic. People have lost lives because of flood, drought, because of electricity shocks, and beautiful lives the talented people have, people's dreams have been crashed because of resources. So if you have all the resource, and still then if you say that you have failed, I'm sorry, you have not failed. Please don't give up. You can do wonderful, and be a helping hand to somebody, whoever you can help, whoever. Because helping is life. We are privileged not because to boast that we are privileged. We are privileged with lots of responsibilities on our head, that the one who have not got the resources, it is our duty to cater that to that area of the world. No matter right now you are able or you are not able to, but if you cannot make yourself capable, I am sorry, you are privileged. This is a little message I am sharing in this pandemic situation. All the students, whoever feels that you are getting a bit disappointed with life, trust me, if you are breathing, there's so much hope, and there's so much you can do in your life. Keep patience, a bit of patience, a bit more, and you never know what's your destiny. Thank you. I hope the message I have tried to convey, I could. Have a great day and never quit in your life.